Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to talk about how ChatGPT can be an incredibly powerful tool for troubleshooting NumPy related issues. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced programmer, ChatGPT can assist you in solving errors, optimizing code and deepening your understanding of NumPy operation. One of the most common challenges when working with the NumPy is facing unexpected errors like shape mismatch, index out of bounds or unsupported operand types. So instead of spending hours searching for solution, you can simply describe the error to ChatGPT and the ChatGPT can quickly identify that type of error and it will guide you to use the correct syntax with proper information. You may also learn the important NumPy operations using ChatGPT. For that, you need to provide your required prompts. Here are some of the important prompts that you may provide based on your requirement. Now, suppose you are a beginner to understand the NumPy. So you may first ask the question that how do one can create a NumPy array with specific values. So suppose we are providing the data, how do one can create NumPy array with specific values. So here ChatGPT will analyze your question and it will provide the data based on your requirement. So here you can see that we may use the inbuilt array function, full function, zeros, ones, arrange function. So all these functions we have already understood. And other than this, there are list of different functions are available. You can also master that functions using the ChatGPT. So here there are list of different operations are provided. Suppose you want to understand some of the important mathematical functions available in the NumPy, then also you may provide the prompt such as explain all important functions available in NumPy for mathematical operations with syntax and hit enter. Here you will find the list of different mathematical operations that you may perform and that are available within this NumPy library. Some of the functions we have already understood, but other than that there are also list of different functions are available that you may master using this ChatGPT. So here you can see that there are so many aggregation functions are also available, that are sum, product, cumulative sum, cumulative product, then statistical functions and so on. You will find the list of different operations that you may perform using this NumPy library. So I hope you got the idea how you may master the NumPy using this ChatGPT as your important partner. There are a list of functions available that are goes on that you may use based on the requirement. Now after understanding all the important functions, suppose you want to have the practical applications. So also you can ask the ChatGPT about the practical applications. That is, it may generate some of the programs also. Suppose we want to generate a NumPy program to solve a system of linear equations. So we may provide the prompt generate NumPy program to solve a system of linear equations. So here you can see that ChatGPT has provided one code providing the array, then some of its important data. So using this concept, you may get the practical applications also and how to solve that type of problems. To the left hand side, you will find the explanation for that code also. Now here you will find the option also. Suppose you want to have the answer in chat instead. So you may select this and here the entire problem and its answers are provided in these chat box only. So here you will see that two linear equations are provided and to solve these linear equations you may use these inbuilt functionalities available. So with this I can say that ChatGPT isn't just a troubleshooting tool, it's your 24/7 coding assistant, debugger and tutor for NumPy. It helps you fix errors faster, learn concepts better and write cleaner and more efficient code. So the next time you face a NumPy challenge, don't hesitate, you can just ask this to ChatGPT.